What's up guys, Jeff Pong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, we are gonna unbox the Jordan 4 Union, so let's go. And guys, as you all know, sa mga familiar dyan, sa mga nanonood ng vlog, before we start this vlog, I want to give a shout out to H&M for sending me this. So this is their premium, may nag-doorbell lang. I think it's our breakfast.
Breakfast is here!
So ito yung breakfast namin. Ikaw, order mo ata Korean, Korean set. Tas I ordered American set. So, yung sushi. Fresh fruits. Tawag ito? Musli. Cold cuts. Tigisa tayong fruits.
Spicy chimchi. Something.
Ito hot coffee Hot coffee. This is my iced Americano, and as usual, nasa hot box ulit. Alam ko na mainit to. Ayan, nandito yung breakfast natin. Pero before we have our breakfast, let's unbox the Jordan 4 Union. And guys, heading back to our vlog, ayan, dumating kasi yung breakfast. Ayun, I just want to give a shout out to H&M because they sent me this. This is their premium men's, everyday premium men's essentials. So they sent me 3 ternos or pairs. So I just show you the outfits that I did over here. And we are currently staying here at the Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort. So I'm gonna give you a room tour. Super quick lang, but yung complete room tour and yung complete stay namin nasa vlog ni RHEA. So I'll just put her link on the description box below para mapanood nyo yung room tour and kung ano yung itsura dito sa Hilton Clark Sun Valley. And guys, as I've mentioned, we are gonna unbox the Jordan 4 Union in the Off Noir colorway, which I got from a reseller. But the story behind this is pinatrade ko yung isang pair ko. So I have a used pair, a Jordan 185 Varsity Red. I used it only once lang, and I traded it, and I got this from Trak _ so I'll just put his Instagram on the description box na lang din, and it's right here. So it's Trak, SOLESTRAK _ So shout out to Trak for hooking me up with this pair. And let's start with the box. So this will be just a quick unboxing of the Jordan 4 Off Noir. So this is the box. Actually, sobrang ganda ng box ng Union. I'm not familiar if, I'm not sure if ganito rin kaganda yung box ng Jordan 1 Union, but yung pair ng Jordan 1 Union, sobrang ganda niya. And mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo yung first thought ko about this pair, but here is the box. Sobrang ganda. Meron ng hand ni Michael Jordan with the red wristband. And then it says Union at the top. And on the right side, we have the size. So I got a size 10. I just got my true size because based on my research, unlike dun sa mga Jordan 4, like the Fire Reds, hindi ganun kakapal yung foam nito. So it has more space. Kaya for me, if you're gonna buy this or if you're gonna get a Jordan 4 Union, go get your true size lang. So yun, we have the size over here. Tapos dito, we have the Jump Fan logo, Union, and we have a hole for the breathability of the shoes. Tapos on the right side, we have the Jordan logo as well, and at the bottom part, we have the details. And let's pop up the box na. So ito yung loob. Sobrang ganda talaga ng box niya. mean, I like the color. Yan. First thing that you will notice once you open the box is this tissue paper over here. I mean, tinry ko na tong i-open ang lahat. It is just a parang 2 image na kinonect. I mean, 2 image na naka-repeat ng parang siyang top view ni Michael Jordan. I think this is during a huddle ng game nila. And he's wearing a red Chicago Bulls jersey. Yan, with a gold necklace. Ay, parang di yata to game. Kasi ba't siya naka-necklace, diba? Pero, yun. It's the head of Michael Jordan. And once i-open pa natin siya, we have a white tissue paper over here. And let's check out the shoes. Actually, nagamit ko na tong shoes na to kasi I mean, sobrang excited talaga ako on this pair. Pagkakuha ko, ginamit ko na siya agad. So, I used this twice na kaya medyo madumi na yung outsole niya. And yun nga, here is the shoes. So guys, first thought ko about this pair. So this is the first thought segment. So, first thought ko about this pair, nung na-leak siya last year or nung pinakita siya last year sa mga like vlogs, posts, sneaker news. Honestly, hindi ko siya type. Mas type ko yung isang lumabas, which is the Guava Ice, but it is not released here in the Philippines. And I think na-release na siya sa Union Store mismo sa US, or I think sa other parts. I mean, sa Europe or sa US siguro ni-release. But here in the Philippines, di siya ni-release. So, na-release lang here in the Philippines is Titan and Jordan Manila. And I think super limited pairs lang, kaya the resale value or the value of this pair, tumaas talaga siya na sobra. I think the resale price of this goes for around 30,000 to 35,000. Some sell it the brand new for 38,000, but I got mine for 34,000 at STAYCATION. Ayan. Message nyo sila if you have needs. I mean, if you're looking for a specific pair, I think they can help you with that. And yun nga, first thought ko about this pair, especially on this one, the Off Noir, sobrang hindi ko talaga siya gusto. And ayun nga, if you're watching my vlogs, minimension ko dun parati na I'm not a fan of black sneakers kasi nahihirapan akong like, for me personally, nahihirapan akong suotin siya, nahihirapan akong stylan siya, pero this is an exception kasi I don't know, pero I think ang nagdala dito sa shoes na to, the upper part is mainly black, or the shoes is parang 80%, 70% black. But I think the crucial part or the parang key part of the shoes is yung midsole. For me, kasi it is a good decision na ginamit nila yung parang aged yellow. Kasi imagine if they use a white lang dito. Parang sobrang plain and simple lang niya, pero I like the idea that they use the aged yellow right here. And let's start with the shoes. So ayun nga, as I've mentioned earlier, the upper part of the shoes is mainly black, or 70% of the shoes is composed of color black. So, but the black material, I mean the top part has two different black materials. So as we can see over here, we have a parang, I think this is suede, I think. And on the toe box, we have mesh. And we have mesh over here, which gives that rough and retro look. Yeah. And what I like about this pair is yung white stitching. I mean, very ano siya, very, for me, very denim vibe. Yung parang mga denim Levi's na vibe, yung parang may mga different color na stitching talaga sa mga sides, which is a good part for me. Yan, gusto ko talaga yung stitching yan, kasi imagine if wala yung stitching na white, parang super plain lang siya, diba? And heading on over to the laces. So on the laces, we can see flat laces lang over here. We have black na naka-install or nakalagay sa shoes na, and we have a yellow one, this one, which is I think popular sa mga Union shoes or Union collabs. And I think I will change this pair into yellow laces kasi nakita ko yung mga pictures sa Pinterest and Instagram, and ang ganda nung yellow laces na combination niya. And heading on over to the tongue part. So the tongue part is black and meron siyang parang mesh na white right here. There. Meron siyang mesh na white. Then what I like about this is usually kasi yung Jordan 4s, di ba, parang yung tongue niya mahaba. Then nakasulat dito yung Union. Ayun, I don't know if you can see it. Ayan, may Union logo dyan. But on this pair or on this collab pair, they decided to like fold it then stitch it, but they gave you an option naman to like unstitch it para ma-form pa rin yung original silhouette nung Jordan 4 na mahaba yung tongue. Pero iwan ko lang siya ng ganito kasi ewan ko, mas maganda kasi yung combination niya kasi parang ka-color niya yung parang age yellow neto and yung midsole. So heading on over to the lateral side of the shoes, we can see eyelets over here. So we have a white plastic material over here and we have a pink plastic material that is connected to a translucent white material right here. And kung nakikita nyo, translucent siya. And ang ganda nung look niya. And we can see the mesh over here na same dun sa may tongue part that I've showed you earlier. And we have a small UNLA. It's the Union LA tag in yellow right here. Heading on over to the midsole of the shoes, which is my favorite part of the shoes, and yun nga, it is a good decision that they use the aged yellow. I think it is similar to the box. Yan, it is similar to the box. And we can see an exposed air unit over here, and when you look at it closely, it is color yellow. Yan, yellow siya. I think it matches yung UNLA na tag or tab right there. And heading on over to the back part of the shoes, we can see a pink Nike Air logo right here, and it is similar dun sa Air Jordan sa may tongue part, this one, and dito sa pink accent. So ang ganda nung decision na ginamit nila, like yung mga combination na ginamit nila is pink pero like naka-place siya na parang hindi siya sobrang crowded or parang sobrang magulo yung details niya. And yun nga, pink at the back, side, front, tapos meron tayong yellow sa yung yellow is yung extra lace, the UNLA tab, and the exposed air unit. Kaya ang ganda ng pagka-pattern nitong shoes na to. So heading on over to the other side of the shoes, ito yung inner lateral side. It is almost the same as the outer lateral side, but the difference is wala lang yung UNLA tag right here. And we have a blue sample liner over here with a pink Jumpman logo with Union at the bottom. So last part of the shoes is the outsole. Yun nga, medyo nagamit ko na to. Actually, twice ko na siya nagamit kaya medyo madumi na. But the outsole looks like this. It is aged yellow with a black accent over here, blue, and the pink Nike swoosh logo. And then nga guys, I forgot to tell you na meron siyang included na parang hang tags. I think this is common sa mga Jordan 4 pairs. And so others, they wear it na may tag, others naman tinatanggal. I don't know kayo anong preferred nyo. Comment it on the comment section below. But ako tinatanggal ko siya kasi medyo nabibigatan ako dun sa hang tag niya. Kasi as in solid kasi siya. Yan. So final thoughts about this pair. Nung nakuha ko na siya, sobrang gusto ko na talaga siya. Kaya ayun nga, sinuot ko na siya agad. Kaya twice ko na siya nagamit before pa nung unboxing. And I think this is the black shoes na nagustuhan ko lang talaga kasi the black in combination with the aged yellow, pink, blue is, and yun nga, and yung parang mustard yellow na yan is super perfect. And for the shoes, I will give it a 9.8 out of 10 or pwedeng ang 10 kasi it is very versatile. I mean, it is not too bulky, hindi siya super slim. Nandun siya sa midpoint kaya parang sobrang okay siya eh. Kaya pwede siya pang shorts, pwede siya pang jogger pants, pwede siya pang wide leg pants, jeans. Kaya super daming, I mean sobrang daming style na you can do on this pair. And guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you have questions, do follow me on Instagram at IamJeffOng, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.